Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 9th of December. And first of all, national news. Fate Toll Plaza set up on Gujarat Highway cheated government for 1.5 years. India's forex reserve surged past USD 600 billion mark after nearly 4 months. Lok Sabha expelled Mahua Moitra amidst opposition walkout. Indian fishermen alleged mid-sea attack by Sri Lankan Navy. Supreme Court rejected a plea seeking direction to fix limit of expenses by political parties candidates. India achieved in a few years with technology what took others a generation. PM Modi. India will address EU's carbon tax issue, will retaliate if required, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. BJP appointed observers CMs in three states to be decided over weekend. BSF Punjab police recover Pakistani drone in Amritsar. And now some international news. Russia said presidential vote to take place over 3 days. Chinese President Xi Jinping said economic recovery is still at critical stage. Indian Americans performed Garba at Times Square to celebrate its inclusion in UNESCO Cultural Heritage List. Chinese military surveillance balloon spotted in Taiwan Strait, Island's defense ministry. Russia's Vladimir Putin said he'll run for president again in 2024. Amid Sweden's stalled NATO bid, Erdogan's warning to US over F-16 sale. Israel said it hit 450 targets in Gaza in 24 hours as war rages. US alarmed. In a first, China started operations at fourth generation nuclear reactor, a report said. Now some sports news. Ukraine very concerned over Russian Olympics call, sports minister. Glenn Phillips helped New Zealand fight back in Bangladesh test. England withdrew Emma Lamb from one of women's test against India. ICC announced rating for India versus Australia World Cup final pitch amid ongoing debate. S. Sri Sant issued legal notice over rant against Gautam Gambhir post LLC clash. Hockey Men's Junior World Cup, India left playing catch up in 4-1 loss to composed Spain. Business related news. RBI raised growth forecast to 7% for financial year 24, retained inflation projection at 5.4%. RBI kept repo rate steady at 6.5%, fifth time in a row amid robust economic growth. RBI hiked UPI transaction limit for hospitals and educational institutions. Adani Port operations to be carbon neutral by 2025. Gautam Adani. Sensex rose 150 points ahead of RBI policy review. India's growth can be faster if private capital formation kicked into higher gear. Chief Economic Advisor. No spectacular announcement in February's interim budget, Finance Minister said. And that's all in news. Thank you.